Hello everyone! Today we're taking a look at this SUV air mattress. Now, of course, you can use this more than just in your vehicle. You can use this while you're camping, you can use this in your own house for your kids' sleepovers, and so much more. But we're gonna go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get in the package. And yes, when we open packages, we don't open it how you're supposed to. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, right away we see it comes with a carrying bag. It comes with your own air pump. And to test that out, we're actually going to be using our little power bank. If it takes, some of these air pumps have a built-in battery, some of them don't. So we'll see. And this is what it looks like. You get a manual in here and also some vinyl plastic repair kits in there as well. All right, take a look here. Now we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So bear with me for a moment, my beautiful friends. Okay, my friends, the air pump that they give you, you got multiple nozzles, on and off button right here. It does take a 12 volt, so you need a 12 volt outlet, but that's no problem for us because we have our power station right here. You can easily use a power station with the 12 volt port, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to plug this right in here. We're going to turn this on, my friends. All right. Now, let's go ahead and get everything else set up here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fill it all up with some air. All right. Take our pump, find the air holes, and we wanna make sure that we have some closed off. I'm not exactly sure how, what sections it's in, so we're just going to make sure we have most of the air vents closed. So we're going to go ahead and close off a bunch of the air vents here, and you just press the black cap down in, and let's see which nozzle we need. Looks like that's going to be the nozzle. And then we go ahead and connect this right onto here. And let's see, this should be the blower. Yep. And now we blow. Here we go, my friends. Here we go. Woo! All right. So that one is full. So we can go ahead and close that. That side's full. Let's go ahead and do this side. It actually fills up with air very fast. That's actually really nice. We might have to make some room here. And of course you got your pillows as well. You can fill up one side at a time. So if you just want one side full, you can actually do that. That's not going to be a problem. So you don't have to have two sides, so if it's just one person, you can easily do it that way. All right. Close this all up here. All right, now we do the top part here. Put the black down inside, the black little cap. It's pretty basic, pretty simple, my friends. All right. That's it. That's all she wrote. Very simple, very easy to do. Okay, let's go ahead and move this forward. Now, we only blew up the one side. You guys can do both sides if you want. But let's go ahead and, now obviously this is for your head, but for the sake of the video, we're just gonna lay this way. All right. Now remember, you can put this in your vehicle. You can put this in the bed of a truck, in a tent, in a camper, in your house, on your deck, your grass. You can put this pretty much everywhere. And yes, it keeps you up off the ground. If you do use this outdoors, make sure you clear the ground. You do not want anything hard to be on the ground. So clear it all out, make it nice, soft, and smooth, and then you can place this down if you want. It is very comfortable. And again, you can fill up both sides if you want, so you can stretch out more, or if there's two people, so you can have one person here, one person here. So it is for two people or one person. Overall, very nice. Seems to be made of high quality. Easy to inflate. No problems whatsoever, my friends. I see no problems at all with this. Easy to get up from. Overall, I'm very happy. I think you will be too.